Hello everyone, my name is Remsi. I am intern under Lexus and Company. Today I am here to speak on the topic important section of the Copyright Act 1957. The following are important section of the Copyright Act. Section 2 deal with various definition of the work which can covered under the definition of copyright. For example, Section 2O deals with literary works. Section 2H includes all dramatic works under the definition of copyright protection and section P deals with the musical and graphical works. In section 13 of Copyright Act 1857 is the most requisite section as it deals with the subject matter of copyright protection. According to section 13 subclause 1, our all India is under preview of the copyright and the following classification works are protected by the Copyright Act: original, aesthetic, musical, dramatic and literary works. Second is sound recording. Third is cinematography. The published and unpublished works, architecture, are discussed under the section 13 subclause 2. If work is published, it must be published in India. If the work is published outside of India, author must be Indian and citizen at the time of publication or at the time of his death. Except for works of architecture, author of unpublished works must be Indian or have place of residence in India. When it comes to architectural works, only the work itself must be from India, not the architecture. Because of architectural works can also be done in written form, the copyright in architectural work shall only apply the creative character and design and shall not include the constructions process and progresses.